How to delete AliExpress account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to delete AliExpress account. So in order to delete your AliExpress account, first of all, open up your application. In my case, I'm using a web browser. You could use your application or a web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So while you're on this page, you just have to go ahead and tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. You just have to go to Hub Center, and here go and press on Find Order and Accounts. When you press on the following option, it's going to take you to the other field where you'll be able to see a lot of information. So under it, you just have to scroll down right to the bottom, and then you need to go to the delete account button. As you click on the delete account button, there will be a confirmation stating that once you delete your account, you'll no longer be able to access it, all of that. Then you have to confirm it by entering your password, and you'll have successfully deleted AliExpress account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.